Welcome to Passionately Intrigued Arts with Tracy. Today I'm going to be crafting with Demia. And the other day, Demia said something that just tickled my fancy. She said, what did she say? Demia's, what did you say? You said something that I really liked, but you said Demia's what?
Demia's Sweet Touch.
Demia's Sweet Touch? Okay, so we're going to do Demia's Sweet Touch today, okay?
Yeah.
Okay. So we're going to make, these are the leftover hearts that we were going to use for her tic-tac-toe game. But they were too big. So I told her we would make something for her mommy. But we're going to make something for her mommy and daddy. And she's going to do the pink one. I'm going to instruct her, and I'm going to do the red one. So I want to make them keychains. So the first thing we're going to do is take, these are all yours. You're going to use the red. So you follow what I do. We need two, one on top of the other, like that. So take your pink and do like I did. Yep. And so I'm going to take a little bit of glue and glue that right there. And then put it back.
Now it will stick.
Oh, it can't see what I'm doing. There we go.
They only can see what I'm doing.
I know, right?
And Grandma, you cut your hair down.
I cut my head down. Maybe I turn the camera the other way. Hold on. Wait, say it.
I did me off Sweet Touch because I touched this.
Because you touched that? You're getting ready to touch some things? Good job. So I'm going to take the camera down this way. I'm trying to put both of our work in here, in this camera. And that's about the best I can do, I think. So, bring yours over so you can see it in the camera.
Now, these are yours, right?
Yeah.
I'm not using red.
No, you're not. So I glued that one together. So you got yours together. And I might want to use the glue gun. I'm going to put this permanent glue on here. But the glue gun will help it stick immediately. So I think that's what I'm going to do is plug up the glue gun. Because this is going to take a little while to dry. And then I'll show you what we do next. Okay?
Yeah. I'm so excited to see.
So while this is drying and while the glue gun is heating up, I want to put a hole in each one of the hearts. So I'll put one right here. What are you doing? That isn't quite in the center, but it should have been.
Yes.
Okay, so now we need to put a hole in one of yours.
This one.
Okay.
You're so excited.
You excited?
Yeah.
Okay, you want to punch this down?
I'm scared.
You want to? You're scared of what? Okay, I'll put it in the center. And grab a hold of this, the ends. Okay, I'll put it in the center.
Push.
Wait, no. You got an extra hole. Okay, now push. Oh, well. We got a couple holes in there, but it's going to be okay. And if we want to, we can do a different one. Because we can... Let's do a different one so we can do it center.
Yeah.
Let's see. Maybe if I turn it this way, we can see. I don't know. Nope, you got to turn it this way. Oh, I don't even know if I was in the camera. Trying to get it in the center there. Right about there. And I hope that hole is big enough. So, since I did that one, let me try and get this one in the center. And put it... Oh, I can't see. Let's see. Right about... See if I do any better with this one. Yeah, that's better. You may not be able to see that hole, but it's kind of in the center. Okay. So now, this one, that one's drying. This one, and this one. So that will be, that's my top one. That's the middle one. And then here. So you're doing moms. I'm going to give you these letters. And that spells what?
Mommy.
Mom. It's only 3 letters. M-O-M. That spells mom. You call her mommy, but it says mom. Because we don't have enough. We don't need that many letters. So you're doing that one. And then this one is a D-A-D. What does that say?
Daddy.
Dad for short.
Yeah.
Daddy would be D-A-D-D-Y. Mommy would be M-O-M-M-I-E. But we're only doing mom and dad. Okay, so I'm going to peel this letter. It has a sticky backing on it. So you try and take that off. So see if you can get your M off the back.
This one or this one?
It doesn't matter.
Okay, I'll do this one.
Okay, and when you get it off, let me know. So I'm going to take this first D, and I'm going to put it right here on this first heart. And stick that
It's a
down.
little hard.
It's a little hard?
Yeah.
Okay. You need help? I can help you. There you go. Okay. So we're going to take, hold on to it. Now, move these out of the way, and you're going to put that M right on here.
There's no feeling about this.
Put it right in the center, right here.
I thought I can do this.
You can do this. Of course you can.
No, I didn't.
Got it?
Maybe.
Maybe. It's a little crooked, so I'm going to straighten it out for you, okay?
Okay.
See if it'll come off. Uh-oh, I don't want to mess it up. It was hard finding two M's. Uh-oh, we might have to leave it. Let's see. I got it. I'm just going to put it in the center so that it fits on this heart. So that's the M for the first letter in her name. Okay? So the next letter, yours is going to be O, mine is going to be A. So peel it off, and we're going to do the next heart. Peel your O off.
Oh.
Yes.
So.
And I'll put my A.
I did.
You did it? Okay, hold on to it for a second. Let me put this A right here. Okay, so there's the A. We'll use that one for the O, and we'll try and cover up those holes. So we'll use this one. No. Oh, you're right. We're going to use the O. I'm sorry. Put the O on this one and try and cover up those holes.
That's not doing it really easy for
Put
me.
it up in it. Put it up further. Cover the holes. Yes. Good job. Good job. Okay? So you got M, O. Okay, now take off the backing from your last letter, and I'll take it off from this D, okay?
Okay.
And then I'll put the D on the last heart, the last red heart, in the center. Okay? And then this is your last one. And try and, is it sticky? Okay. And try and get that in the center. Let's see how you do. Good job. Come on. Oh, look at you. Good job. Good job. Okay. So the glue gun should be hot. This is going to take a while to dry, so I'm going to put a little bit of hot glue on here so we have it to hold on immediately. Oh, that's hot. Okay, and then I'll do the red one. Oh, that one was a little drier. It started to dry, but I'm just going to put a little bit. Like that. Don't touch that because it's hot. I don't want you to burn yourself. Let me pick it up. And do like that.
The hot?
It's warm.
Oh.
And let me make sure that's laying down. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is, how do I want to do this? So that's stuck good. I'm going to turn it over and put some more glue on this side. Make sure. Just a little bit like that. Then I'm going to turn yours over and do the same thing, okay?
Okay.
Just a little bit up there. Come out. And then just a little bit right here. Come out. Okay. Okay. So this is going to be the base. This is going to be the back of it to hold these other letters on. Glue's still sticky. It's called glue webs. So, I want to line up the dad on top of these two. Like this. Put that A right there, and then put that D right there. So that's dad. Now let me see you do yours like that. So this is your base. And move these out of the way. So this is going to be the back of your keychain. Now see if you can line yours up. Yep. M-O, What's next? And it comes down here. Turn it this way. The points go down. Yep, now put it right up underneath that M. No, underneath, right here. Right here, baby. Right here. Right here. Let me show you. You're turning it around. Your hearts go like this, right?
Yeah.
You don't want them upside down. Your hearts go like that. So you put it like that. So then now that's M-O, and the next letter is M, and that goes underneath the O. And make sure your heart is pointed. Yep. Put it right on top of that one. Okay. So I'm going to take the glue and glue these down. Okay? Okay. Just wanted to show you how they were set up. So the first one is the D.
It's a little hard for the glue.
Yes. And I'm going to put that right like that.
Anyway, it's like my name. D-A-M-I-A.
D-A-M-I-A. That's right. Almost like your name. It just says Dad.
Yeah.
Now how much glue?
Yes, they got like two A's.
2 D's.
Oh yeah. For Dad.
For Dad, yes. And then I'll put this
Is
one.
Mom.
Yes, that one is
I'm
Mom.
gonna call my mommy. Mommy.
Mommy, I know you call her Mommy.
Yeah.
And then
But for now, I will call her Mom.
for the keychain.
Yeah.
And then I'll put this last one right here.
Oh my God! Look at this voice.
Okay. There's Dad, okay?
Okay.
Now let's put Mom together. And I'm doing this because I don't want you to mess with the glue gun, right?
Yeah.
Because it's hot. Put it right on that corner.
Sorry.
And I'm going to put that one right there. Okay? Then I'm going to do the M, and the O, and put the glue right up here on top. Really, I can put the glue all over this one because it's going to sit on top of here. So I'll put it all over it. And then I'll position
All you
it
can do all over it.
all over that one because it's sitting right on top of these other ones. Like that. Okay? And then I wanted to hide that. Oh, did we do it wrong? Here's the hole for the top of the keychain. We'll just have to punch another hole. And what I'll do is raise this one up and stick this underneath there. Because the one with the hole was supposed to go at the top. And Grandma was not paying attention. Oopsie. But we can fix it. No problem. We'll just put another hole in there, right?
Yeah.
And then I can hide that hole like that. And now you don't even see it. I'll put a little bit more glue on this part to hold that little tip down. Ta-da!
Now we spell Mom and Dad.
Mom and Dad. Okay? Let's see what it's looking like.
Alright.
Yep. That's pretty cool. Now, we have these keychains, right? These hooks.
Yeah.
These that we need to put on.
Yeah.
But I need to put a
But
hole.
this one is for girls.
That was for girls? Okay. I'm going to put another hole up here since I used the wrong M. Get that hole in there. I can't see. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
What?
Trying to get it in the center. Oh, hopefully that's good enough. Oh, Jesus.
What?
It's kind of low. But that's okay. Now, we're going to use, these are called O-rings, okay?
Yeah.
And I think I want to use one of the bigger ones, if it'll fit in. Let's see.
I
Oh,
hope so.
that might not fit in that hole. So I might have to use a smaller one. Well, let's just see. Yeah. So you open this up like this. I'm going to push this way and pull this way. Like that. It's real easy. These are soft wire. So I don't know if it's going to fit through that hole. I might have to make 2 holes to make it fit through. But then again, it might fit. It fit. Okay? Do it like that. Now, can you put that little chain? This into this chain.
This one?
No, this one.
Oh.
If you could put the end of that chain on one of these. This right here. One of these holes. The little chain.
Yeah, teeny.
If you could hook it onto this O-ring. Onto that back one. Yep. Is it going on there?
No. Like that.
Like that. And then I'll close it up.
Too hard for me to close it up.
Yeah, I'll close it up. So, okay. Now let me do Daddy's. And we used the small one, didn't we? So we can put these away.
Yeah. It can't do the big one. Where's that?
That's from that letter.
Oh.
Okay, so I'll put it through this hole.
Grandma?
Yes.
Are you recording?
Yes, it's recording.
Oh.
It is still recording.
Oh, I forgot.
You wanted it to record, right?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah? Okay. So let me put this O-ring in here. And then, do you want to put this chain on?
Hmm?
Do you want to put this chain on?
Yeah.
Okay. Get the chain.
Okay, this way. So I gotta put my leg good.
You gotta put your leg down?
It's hurting.
And again, what?
It's hurting.
They were hurting? Okay. Good job. And I'll close it up. Okay? So we got that part done.
Cute.
Cute! Now the next thing we're going to do is get another O-ring. So we need two. We need that one and we need another one. And you want to do mommy's first?
Yeah.
Okay. So you got to open this up.
Open that up.
And put your charm. What charm are you using for mommy?
This one.
Put that charm. See if you can take this and put that charm on there. You can do it yourself. Good job. Now hold on to the charm, to the O-ring. Don't let it fall off. And then you're going to put that. You see that chain right there? That O-ring. See if you can stick this O-ring in that O-ring.
Let's get it.
So what are you scared of? You can do it. And the bigger one right here. Let me stretch it like this. Okay. Now see if you can get that on there. Yeah. Now you got it, and I'll close it. Okay. Good job. Now look at that. Is that cute?
Oh, yeah.
For mommy? Okay, so I'll do daddy's. And this is what she chose for daddy.
Wait, where's the red pink one?
Oh, it was, no. We're going to use this, but it looks pink. It is not red. And it's kind of girly.
So we can do the big one. It's kind of pink.
It's kind of pink, right. Now let me see if this will fit through here, this anchor. Oh, it fits.
Does it?
Yep.
Wow.
It fit on there. So I'll put that, yep. I'll put daddy's right here on this chain and close it up.
I'm so excited for that.
Alrighty. So what I'll do while you're not here, I'm going to cover these with resin so that they can get hard and not tear, not fall apart or whatever. But we're done with them other than me doing the resin tomorrow. So would you like to show yours in the camera?
Yep.
Let me move this glue gun and I'll put the camera up
I
for
will
you.
move this and this further.
Okay. And what are these gifts for?
For mom and dad.
For what? Surprise, you said? For what day? Valentine's Day?
Yeah.
Did you say you want to give them a surprise for Valentine's Day?
Yeah.
Okay. Show your keychain that you made. Good job. Look at her keychain. And then you want to show daddy's?
Yeah.
Okay. Here you go.
Yes, wait.
Is it in the camera so they can see? There you go. Come up. Now they can see that. Very good. Cute, cute, cute. There we go. And he has the little charm right here. Okay? All right. Thank you so much for watching. We appreciate you. Thumbs up, and we'll see you soon. Bye-bye. Good job, sweetheart.